Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to report inappropriate message or users on NGL. So let's get started with the video. Open the application, make sure you're using the updated version. Then you can go to the inbox section. Here you can select that particular message or user which you want to report inappropriate message on NGL. Post that you need to click on the triangle icon with an exclamation mark inside it at the upper left corner. Here you will get an option of report message. Click on that. You can select a reason over here. There is a list of reason. You can select according to your need and post that you have seen that the message has been reported. So they will basically review your report and they will take the action. If there is any violation of the community guidelines, they will respond to you same. So this is how you can report an inappropriate message on NGL. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.